silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is all.
Hey everybody, my name's Will. I'm here with Enzo, my German Shepherd puppy, who is looking out the window right now. Today we're going to do a tire rotation on the Focus ST. The reason I specifically want to do this myself is I want to take the time to actually sealant the wheels before I put them back on, which is something I haven't had a chance to do since I bought the car. I've been kind of dragging my feet on that. But since I spent the last few days getting all my taxes together, I'm taking a day off. I'm not sitting in front of a computer anymore, and just gonna do some fun stuff with the cars. We're at the park right now. We're just about ready to leave and head home and get started. We did have to technically go steal this car from the wife at work, so that was fun. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions about myself, about Enzo, the cars, or anything else, just let me know and I'd be happy to answer. And please subscribe if you like these videos. Thanks, and let's get to it. Huh, buddy? Ready to get to it? Yeah? Head tilt? Yeah. I lost all the footage. What we ended up doing is I wanted to get the wheels all cleaned and put sealant on them, so I cleaned the whole car and then cleaned the wheels really good before I rotated them, and then, you know, did all that, and then took it for a drive. Everything's fine. I mean, it's a few days now, we're in it right now. Everything's fine. The car drives, handles fine. Everything's good. So I guess the good thing is nothing crazy happened that I'm super upset about losing the footage for, other than the fact that this video is going to be a little weird now because it's obviously a few days later and, you know, it's just not going to line up right. Enzo and I got it all taken care of. As you can see, he was very helpful as usual. On to the next thing right now, which will be probably some more Evo content and some ST content. If you like these, if you want to see more of anything specific or questions about myself or the cars or anything, just let me know. Other than that, I'm going to let you guys go, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.